Now, your Storm Tracker team forecast with Danielle Giuliano.
Well, we've been mentioning it all weekend. We're going to continue to let you know about this low pressure center that's sitting just off in the Gulf Coast, off the panhandle of Florida and portions of Alabama. That's going to continue to push further off to the west towards the Louisiana coast, and it's going to be a rainmaker for us over the next few days. Let's take you hour by hour here. This is 8 a.m. tomorrow morning. Still mostly dry in the area, but through the afternoon into the late afternoon, early evening, this is around 4 p.m. You start to see those isolated spotty showers make their way through, and then we start to see more increased rain chances as we move into our Tuesday. This is Tuesday morning at 8 a.m. Most of the rain still around the 12 corridor and 10 towards New Orleans. New Orleans is going to be the big rainmaker towards the coastal locations. More heavy rainfall throughout the day. This is 1:30 p.m. on your Tuesday model, suggesting more widespread heavy rainfall. These training storms are going to drop a few inches of rain as they make their way, and this low pressure center slowly begins to push further off to the west. This is 5 a.m. on your Wednesday. So again, July 4th, you get a bit of a break there, but models are still suggesting we're going to get a good chance of that rainfall. This is at 3 p.m. still widespread rainfall here. Hopefully we're expecting it to die down just in time for fireworks, but again, we'll keep you updated. We're still 3 days out. Things can change. The Weather Prediction Center rain total futures are here. So this is for your Tuesday. You see that bullseye? It's down on the coastal locations there for Louisiana. We're in the areas of purples and blues, expecting anywhere from 2 to 3 inches of rainfall for your Tuesday. We're looking at two different models, however. RPM, our in-house model, by Tuesday at 8 p.m. suggesting here lower rainfall totals, less than an inch, and then they start to increase about 1.5 inches as we move into our Wednesday. Now our European model by Tuesday evening has us already about a little below 1.5 inches of rainfall, and then steadily increasing to a little closer to 2 inches. So 1 to 2 inches locally here. So what we're really dealing with, periods of very heavy rainfall over the next few days, starting Monday, late afternoon, early evening into Tuesday and Wednesday, possibly 1 to 2 inches or locally 2 to 3, mostly coastal there. So we're talking south of the I-10-12 corridor, you're going to get more rainfall. Watch for flash flooding if you're driving and you know, hey, under this bridge or the bend of I-110 there, locally and usually floods, heavy rainfall. Watch for those. Turn around, don't drown, and make sure you stay weather aware. Follow us on brproud.com, Twitter, Facebook. We'll be updating you constantly. Flood threat here, low on Monday, higher on Tuesday. We lower things on Wednesday, but we're still seeing those rain chances sticking with us as we move into the rest of the week. For your July 4th, again, we're expecting rain and mild conditions, slightly below average there with temperatures in the upper 80s, but again, we're still watching for those storm chances. So what we're dealing with, watching rain chances, rainy for July 4th, and a brief break for the heat. With all this rain that we're going to be seeing, we're also going to be seeing a break in our temperatures. Those 90-degree temperatures are going to drop down into the 80s, slightly below average. We're watching for that flood alert on Tuesday. Wednesday is July 4th. I know it's a holiday. We all have plans. We'll keep you updated here over the next 3-day period. And the rain sticks with us for the rest of the weekend. So we're just going to have to stay weather aware and watch for some of that localized flash flooding. Remember, if you can't catch us here, you can always catch us on the radio with Cumulus Media. So the big deal is here, we're watching for rain. There could be a possibility that might come with some strong winds, but the biggest thing is the system is a rainmaker. It's going to sit off the coast. It's going to be slow moving. We're going to have to watch that carefully.
Of course, because the 4th of July is also creeping up on us. So
exactly. We've already seen Donaldsonville cancel their fireworks, so we'll have to keep watching and we'll keep you updated on those too.
Perfect. And something that